Oh. 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 How many times you gotta have that happen?
Awesome. Unbelievable.
I looked at him, he was right there.
You fucking nailed him.
I got him, didn't I?
Huh? Yeah,
I got him.
There,
So.
I
heard the arrow go. Did you shoot him on the run?
It was 5 yards.
Yeah.
I didn't even aim.
No.
I looked right over the top of the peep and shot. I didn't know if I was gonna.
Chuck, you gotta be blood. You gotta be blood.
Oh shit, he's bleeding already. He was bleeding before he ran off. Jimmy. God, I don't see any tracks over there, Jimmy.
Hey, help guys up in here.
It's like in the red. Oh, I'm gonna stop. Right, there's some up there on that log.
Right here's blood.
Ribbon.
Right there.
Ribbon, you want the ribbon?
Yeah, you ribbon right behind me, man.
Can I get this? Bottom one?
Blood. Blood.
Yeah. Over the log. Over the log.
Yeah. Oh, this shit, look at the blood here. That's tall, I'm gonna give you a big kick.
Must have slowed down here.
Blood. 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 Blood.
You step over there?
Blood right here.
Stay right with your hand. Messed up.
Must have gone through there.
Well, as you can tell, Jimmy put an awesome bull in front of me at a mere 5 yards. It may have been closer, but I'm going to call it 5. We had a lot of blood. The moose was quartering to me, and it was so close and everything happened so fast. I think I hit it just a little far back. May have got one lung, but we know we got the liver. And we were going to let it set all day until about noon. It was cool enough. And went back out to the truck, and we were high-fiving and everything because we thought it was a done deal. And it started to rain, so we had no choice but to jump on the trail and pick it up. And he was bleeding pretty good, bedded down about 4 or 5 times, so I know we kicked him up at least 3 times. And the last time he never stopped. It rained so hard it washed the trail out. We had 5 or 6 guys tracking, and everybody contributed, and we found that we have 2 real good trackers, Jimmy the guide, and Paul, and the third guy is Steve the cameraman. He got out front and found a lot of blood that we would have never found. It had to be 4.5 hours in the rain, and we decided to let it go and come back and get a rest, and maybe he'd lay down again and we'd pick him up again. And it rained harder when we were having lunch. So we went out there to look for blood, and we've lost blood. What we'll probably do is grid off the area next couple of days, see if we can't locate him. And if it stays cool enough tonight, we might recover all of the animal tomorrow, but after tomorrow I don't think we'll be able to recover anything but the antlers, which is a shame. Just things happen, and Mother Nature got in the way a little bit this time, and we'll see what we can do. But we had a good time. We still went out and hunted again, looked for some more moose, saw 3 or 4 other bulls that were killed by some other hunters in the area, and they were all good bulls, so we know there's more out there. and if we don't find the bull tomorrow, we'll probably give it another day. We've got lightning coming in right now, big cold front, so hopefully we can continue this in a positive fashion in the future.